Well, finally, something worked okay. But now I gotta rebuild that entire area. Okay, we're gonna try these guys out. Well, finally, something worked okay. But now I gotta rebuild that entire area because of a broken screw. Right? No way a new screw is gonna fit in there. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. So here we go. Gotta rebuild it using white glue and chopstick and some sawdust. And let's see how we do with that. Okay, gotta find me a chopstick. Alright, well, here's one of the pegs I just cut out. I should be able to go right in there. I'll just drill it out to the correct diameter so it goes in there. Nice and easy. Okie dokie. So that's about the same. Okay. Load her up with glue. Probably want to square that off. I'll use a pair of diagonal cutters to square that off, just so it goes in the hole nice and flush. There we go. That's reasonably square. Take this little piece here. Let's get that little boy in there. Okay, that's in all the way. Next, make some filler. So here's what I do. Take a bunch of this stuff that we just removed. There we go. Don't forget your fines. take your glue, get yourself a blob of glue, take something to mix with. I think I'm going to find me a toothpick. While I'm doing this, I may as well see if there's anywhere I can stick a toothpick to fill in the holes with glue, because I think I got a few. Flatten that puppy out a little bit. Let's make life hard for the next screw coming in. Well, you take the tips, you reverse 1 to 2, and then you jam them in. Actually, for this one, I could probably start off with 2 blunts. Let's do that. Seeing as we're rebuilding this entire stupid thing. There we go. Okie dokie. And you go. 1. Will 2 go? Nope. 1. Alright. And then you take your tip. You glue that puppy up. And you insert it beside the blunt. Just like that. And then you tap it in. And I might be able to fit 1 more. So I shall. Right where those 2 join. Let's see if I can get him in there. Okay, so toothpicks on this one, chopstick on this one, and now we take a toothpick and we mix this stuff up, make ourselves a glorious blob of glue and sawdust and junk. Not too much glue, it's got to be kind of thick. I'll stick. Okay, let's get the tools out from underneath there. No more drilling. Put this stuff away. You don't want your tools underfoot. There we go. Okay, let's have a look-see. This white glue takes quite a long time to set up, so you don't have to worry about it drying. Give yourself a drop or 2. And mix until you think it's good enough to put in the hole. And the consistency you want is kind of like oatmeal. Now remember, it's not really fulfilling a structural role. It's just going to make the hole look not so terrible. You could use caulking, you could use... The structural is being provided by this. Some people would take a very large dowel, like 1 inch, drill that sucker out with a wood boring bit, which I don't have, neither dowel nor bit, otherwise I would consider doing it, and resetting that entire stupid thing. clean, super clean. Unfortunately, I don't have that, so I have to use what I've got. Okay, so we're looking still a little too dry. 2 more drops. I broke my mixing tool, so I'll get another one. Wow, okay. Being rough on them. I guess I'll double them up. I'll use 2, otherwise I keep breaking them. Yeah, it's starting to feel good. I think just one more application of glue. 1, 2. Put that in there. We're going to sand this down later, so it's going to go on as a kind of globby patch. Yeah, this consistency is feeling about right.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.